Welcome to sbcooks. Today let's prepare Dum Ki Chai. Firstly, let's take water, wrap this with a cotton cloth, add tea powder, sugar, cinnamon, clove, elaichi, ginger, some tulsi leaves. Mix tight with a cloth or you can use rubber band as well. Take cooker, pour some water for steam, place one plate. No worries if it's floating, it will settle once we keep container. Place container, switch on stove, place cooker, cover it with a lid, place some weight on it. That's it. Dum is ready. Take it off, unwrap it, collect all leftover decoction. It will be sufficient for 5 people. Switch on stove, place vessel, pour milk, add decoction, let it boil well. That's it. Tasty, tasty hot chai is ready to drink. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe to my channel, hit bell icon for latest updates. Don't forget to comment below. Thanks for watching.